Hello, happy morning, and welcome back to Sales Saturdays episode number 13. We are discussing the BEST framework for sales effectiveness. Today, we will see the S part. The S is nothing but systems. We always believed that sales is more of a practiced science than just an art. So, the prospecting system is one of the many systems that we will be introducing to you over this platform Sales Saturdays. So, what is the prospecting system? A set of activities that we create, follow, and review to ensure that our prospecting is resulting in best of the meetings and conversions. So, the beginning of prospecting system is defining clearly who our ideal buyer or profile of the ideal customer. So the profiling consists of 3 to 4 dimensions. One, the geographic dimension. So where do my ideal customers live? In which part of city, locality, or what kind of neighborhood do they live? The second is demographic. Demographic is in terms of the gender, the age, and the income group they belong to. And finally, the psychographic. The psychographic consists of their lifestyle, their motivations, their attitudes. These are all indications for us to fine tune our search for the ideal prospect. Having done this, the next step is to create our own identification in front of those prospects. What do we want to be known as in front of them? If we meet them, what will we tell us about ourselves? So the three steps which are very critical is who are you, what do you do, and how can you help them. So if I am meeting my ideal prospect, ideally I would like to introduce myself as, hello, my name is SV Balaji. I am a sales performance coach. I help organizations and individuals identify, discover their true potential and optimize their productivity. The third part of the sales system is to know what is the prospecting approach we are going to take. The prospecting approach could be mining our own natural market. 2, mining our own influencers market to get referrals. 3, networking either in the physical world or in the social media using LinkedIn. And 4, cold calling. But merely deciding how we are going to prospect is not going to help us. We need to make ourselves accountable for it. So the next step in the prospecting system is creating a daily schedule or a weekly planner for prospecting. Monday, what do you want to do? Tuesday, what do you want to do? And what part of the day do you want to spend a dedicated 1 hour for prospecting? So if you have identified 5 different ways to prospect, then we must ensure that you have defined them in terms of the date and time in a given week. So Monday afternoon 4 to 5 is my prospecting time. I am going to call my natural market to identify ideal buyers. Tuesday between 12 to 2 I am free, so I am going to mine into my own market and network with people to get some references. Wednesday I may not want to prospect at all. Thursday I will use it for my cold calling. Once we create a prospecting schedule, then comes the prospecting aids, which are the scripts what we will use. If we are going to pick up a phone and call people, what is the script we will use? The emailer script. What exactly do we want to write to our prospects about? And then the most important step is how do we want to promote ourselves in the social media world? How do we want to position ourselves? Do we want to position ourselves as a subject matter expert or a specialist or a thought leader or a service provider? What exactly do our customers or prospects should know about us? Accordingly, we should be posting those on the media platforms. While it is nice to share, forward external content, I think once in a while, if not, every day or every week, once in a month or twice in a month, we should post our own content. It could be a blog, it could be a video blog, or it could be anything else which is our own. So that brings us close to the summary of the prospecting system, and the final nailing on the coffin of this system is putting a number, a measure of success for the prospecting. Based on the business we are in, we should be able to say from 1 to 50, any number, we should be able to put it as our weekly target of the prospects we want to reach. Once we do this, then we are now ready to go to the next part, which is the funnel management system. We will talk about it in our next session. Until then, thank you for being with us. Have a great week.